I'm wildlife photographer and Nikon ambassador Ron Magill, and I'm honored and privileged to be your MC, guiding us through the amazing photographic adventure that will be AVC EXPO 2024. It'll be my honor to introduce a distinguished faculty comprising of former Miami Herald photographers who were also my mentors and inspirations to venture into the wonderful world of photography. Embark on a captivating journey through Chasing the Light, a 2-day extravaganza dedicated to the art of photography. Immerse yourself in a world of visual storytelling with engaging presentations, insightful portfolio reviews, and studio lighting workshops. Our stellar lineup features internationally acclaimed, multi-Pulitzer Prize-winning photographers serving as brand ambassadors for industry leaders such as Canon, Sony, Nikon, and Think Tank Photo. The event is thoughtfully planned by team leader Think Tank Pro and Miami Herald photojournalist Diaz, ensuring a seamless and enriching experience for all photography enthusiasts. Get ready to elevate your craft and capture the essence of light during AVC EXPO 2024 at AVC Photo and Video Specialty Store. Chasing the Light will be a visual odyssey that transforms Miami into the ultimate playground for photography enthusiasts on March 2nd and 3rd. The incredible lineup of award-winning photographers includes Pulitzer Prize-winning photographer Patrick Farrell, Pulitzer Prize-winning photographer Brian Smith, Pulitzer Prize finalist and mentor Maggie Stieber, music and sports photographer David Bergman, advertising and portrait photographer Jeffrey Salter, 4-time Pulitzer Prize-winning photographer Carol Guzzi, Pulitzer Prize-winning photographer Stephanie Sinclair, Pulitzer Prize finalist Candice Barbeau, and our team leader and award-winning Miami Herald photographer Al Diaz. Chasing the Light 2024 is not just an expo. It's an immersive experience where creativity ignites, innovation sparkles, and the art of capturing light reaches unparalleled heights. Secure your spot at AVC EXPO Chasing the Light 2024 and buckle up for Miami's photography scene. Let's chase the light together.